Right, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I got the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Ore. It is a hardcore case with an adjustable strap for my Apple Watch Ultra, and it does fit the Apple Watch Ultra 2 as well. And big thank you and shout out to Supcase for sending this out for review. So here is the packaging that it comes in, very familiar with Supcase. And then as you can see here at the bottom, it does say Apple Watch Ore 49, and the color's black of this. So let's get this bad boy out here. So you are greeted with an extended warranty little thing there. And then here is the watch case slash strap. So this thing is a hardcore, rugged Apple Watch Ultra case and strap here. As you can see, it's one piece, but this thing is, this thing is hardcore looking. So it's got a soft TPU band here. It's flexible as you can see there, but it does hold its shape. And that's kind of the norm with most of these kind of all-in-one cases and straps. And then it does have like a pretty nice scratch-resistant polycarbonate on the sides here, which is pretty nice as well. As you can see there, it's like very hardcore. And then this metal part here, so these are like a hard superior zinc alloy as they call it. And then there's electroplating iron as far as the kind of bolts go. So just kind of going off of what they call it here, but ultimately, you know, if you want to protect your Apple Watch Ultra in this particular case, then this is a very rugged way to do so. Now it does have also metal, clasp down here, little two-prong version as well, as you can see here, which is really, really nice. And then some Supcase branding right there as well. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy put on. So as far as installation goes, I'm pretty sure it's pretty dang straightforward. So we're just gonna kind of pop in the watch. I usually would start with this side first. And then as you can see here, I'm just gonna kind of push down and literally that's it. So looking at it there, it is installed. So if you look, you can see how nice and neat it is. So very, very simple install there. And then if you look here, you can see that's the look of how it looks on the side. So we have complete control of our spinny wheel there. And then of course we do have an actual button with some teeth there. And then on the side here, it's completely covering up the orange Big O action button, but you do have access with this button as well. And then some little speaker cutouts there for the volume. And then if you want to shoot out some of the water, if you ever, do like that, dispersion of water, if you're swimming or something with it, then there's that little hole there as well. But there's the design and the look of it installed. Just super, super hardcore. So yeah, let's put it on here. So I feel like I have an average size wrist. I know when I tried it on earlier today, it's a pretty big band. So even for me, like I'm having to kind of go up almost to the very last one, but it's the second to last one that feels the most comfortable. And then, with the strap here, you can see that, you have some adjustability here, kind of clicks in nicely with the little extra parts here. So you kind of want that little tongue sticking out just a little bit, but you don't want it super, super tight. And then there it is installed. So just kind of looking at it with my wrist, looks extremely rugged. And yeah, gosh, this is pretty crazy. So just kind of want to show you that you have access to the spinny wheel and all that stuff. And then I can push that button. If you listen to that, very, very tactile, which is awesome. And then I can push that side button here and get my workout button there if I want to. Ease of access for the screen. And then if I want to go back, then there we go. So yeah, this thing is sick. Now, if you are someone who has an Apple Watch Ultra, you probably like big watches, but this just kind of takes the Apple Watch Ultra to like the extreme. You do get A nice little raised bezel as well, if you can notice that if I zoom in on the screen. I believe it says it's 1.7 millimeters, so you do get a nice little lip around the screen to give you that extra protection with this installed. And yeah, guys, I mean, this thing is just rugged and sick looking. So just wanted to show it to you real quick. I saw it on the website, reached out to them, and they were kind enough to send it out. Because I used to do a lot of Apple Watch, kind of case and strap reviews, and definitely want to try to get back into that as well when there's cool ones out like this. So hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, we'll see you on the next one.